Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing my 2 advent calendar, and this one from H&M, and this one is like a scratch card, so you can see it's up to 24 days, and also this one. So we're gonna be opening it today because it's December 1, so it's so new and I'm so excited. Okay, so I want to do the scratch first and see, maybe I will win. So you can see here, this is the instruction. Oh, where to see? Yeah, there. If we get like 10, what is this? For example, 10 Christmas tree, then you will win 1 million. And of course, that's what we're aiming, right? Okay, so now we'll let me scratch the 1. Yeah. So this is the number 1, and I'm just gonna scratch it with my nails because, yeah, I just gonna do it that way. It shows Julelus, the candles, Christmas candles, and that means there. So if I will have 5 Christmas candles, then it will be 100 kroner. It's not a lot, but maybe next time it will be the Christmas tree. So now we're gonna be doing this. Let me just open the plastic. There you go. And these are the, possible things that's in there. Some jewelries, but it's of course just fashion jewelry. It's not real. So anyway, where's the number 1? So this is the number 1, December 1. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, this is so cute. That is cute. Actually, really like this. Oh, so it's a necklace. Oopsie. There. You can see it. There you go. Yep. So let me just open it up. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not tangled, the word. OMG, this is actually cute. Oh. Yep. There. My first day of the H&M advent calendar is a necklace. Yeah, maybe I can wear it just one time and then no more. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas in advance.